Clearly most worried about this now. ये ऐसे ही रहने वाला है क्या कलर?
नहीं मैम, इसके ऊपर कलर डिपॉजिट करते हैं ना।
अब डिपॉजिट करेंगे?
हाँ।
Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my vlog. My name is Shivangi Vijayvargiya Khura. And today I'm going for hair color. Like my hair are already colored, if you can see, and I just have like the roots to length until here, which is not colored. So I thought this time, I would go for something in balayage technique. Like I've been doing that forever, but the last time I chopped my hair short, I went global, and now I'm just willing to experiment a little because I'm kind of bored with my hair. So we are going. I have doll driving me to the salon today and helping me with the clips there. I'll tell you what exactly I'm getting done once I reach there because I kind of want to be sure. I do have images of how I want it. I definitely do not want to chop my hair, but just want to color them something nice. Found this really cute flower-filled street on the way to this place. So this place is actually at Kupali. I do not want to bleach my hair. We've almost decided the color. They don't have the color that I actually need, so we're just doing something and let's see how that goes around. Position right now, almost done. It's gonna take more 15 minutes. It took about 2 hours to do this, and some of this process makes me really tired. Like I'm so sleepy, and I slept in between, in fact, while this was happening. Yeah, waiting for the color and to see how this looks. These are basically the bleached hair. They were a miscommunication between me and the hairdresser. So these are my bleached hair, which I am highly unhappy with. But let's see what we can do to fix them. We've already sat here for I think around 4 hours now. We came here around 3 and it's 7:15. And he's saying it'll still take more 40-45 minutes, and I'm assuming it to be 1.5 hours. I'll keep you posted how this goes. It's 8:30 and we're still at it. Now that he has deposited all the color in my hair, I'm just waiting for it to get washed, and it'll take another 15 minutes for us to actually wash the hair and see how the color turns out. I'm hoping for the best. My sister has been accompanying me since 3 o'clock. Sister, thank you. Something really weird happened. Only both of us were sitting in the salon, like it's a big salon, and only both of us were sitting there. Somebody, I think he's talking there now. He just walked in and he asked all, "Hi, do you do men's haircut as well?" And we were like, "Sorry, they're just coming." But do you cut hair? Or? Yeah, final color is done finally. It's looking black because the hair are drenched in water, but hopefully it'll all come to life and the way I want it once it's blow dried. We finally done after like 6 hours, and now we're going. Okay, so that's the salon that we did. I was hoping that something just turns out well, and I'm at least not very unhappy with the way my hair were looking. So yeah, this is the result and I'm quite happy with it. So the next stop that we are at is Belgian Waffle. We are here to cover because this is a new branch and both of us love waffles.
And also,
See the decor,
Yeah.
it's very
the
pretty
place
here.
is beautiful.
Yeah, we'll just flip the camera and show you guys, but we're just having a date. That's how the place is looking like, and that's the decor. They have lights there, and they also have something else here.
So whoever
and
in
we've-
Scenic Puri, they should definitely come here. It's
yeah,
nice.
whoever in Scenic Puri should visit Belgian Waffle. We've had a scary drive from the salon to here because the roads were all dark, and we kind of freaked out a bit because we were not sure if we were going the right way, despite the Google Maps were showing the same location.
But yeah, we were coming from military area, so it was okay.
It is okay. So yeah, that was my experience with the hair color. Not a very happy one because this is definitely not the color that I wanted. However, not very unhappy with this because it's okay now. This has happened and I can't really, go back and do anything about what has happened. So I just thought let's enjoy this for a bit and then you can change this again. So yeah. And this is how the color looks like in the sunlight, but this is definitely something which could be obtained even without bleaching the hair. So that's my only that was my only thing even while I was there, and that was the first thing that I told the hairdresser, that I don't want to bleach my hair. However, that happened and I can't go back in time and change that, but I would definitely change the hair color very very soon. Other than that, I would never suggest to bleach your hair unless and until you're going very light on your hair, because bleach does make your hair rough, and I've had bad experience with the bleach before. This is not very bad because this is not dried my hair. It's been about a month and it's not dry. I mean, it's not very dry. It's quite doable, and you don't really feel like you need a lot of assistance for your hair. Like obviously oiling and stuff is what you need to do, but it's not very very dry. And while you're here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.